Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, let us see a term OECD guidelines. The OECD guidelines for multinational enterprises are recommendation from governments to multinational enterprises on responsible business conduct. The OECD guidelines set a standard for responsible business conduct across a range of issues such as human rights, labor rights, and the environment. The OECD guideline also established a unique government-backed international grievance mechanism to address complaints between companies covered by the OECD guideline and individuals who feel negatively impacted by irresponsible business conduct. What makes the OECD guidelines unique is their international and extraterrestrial scope, clear recognition of a supply chain responsibility, broad coverage of issues and business sectors, backing by government, and grievance mechanism for resolving conflict and regarding alleged corporate misconduct. The OECD guidelines are not legally binding on companies, but they are binding on signatory governments, which are required to ensure the guidelines are implemented and observed. Thanks for watching. Bye.